There is a secret storage compartment hidden inside your Cadillac that most owners never find. It has been there since the day you drove it off the lot, sitting right behind the infotainment screen, and the dealership never mentioned it once. That is just the beginning. Cadillac engineers buried dozens of functions inside these vehicles that never made it into the sales brochure. Some are hidden behind menus nobody thinks to open. Others require a button combination that sounds impossible until you try it. A few are so well concealed that I have seen Cadillac owners drive the same vehicle for 10 years without ever finding them. These are 15 secret Cadillac functions that only about 1% of drivers ever discover. And the first one is going to make you question everything you thought you knew about your car. Let's start with number 15. Most Cadillac owners assume the safety alerts in their car are all beeps and warning lights, but they are not paying attention to what the seat is doing. And that is exactly the problem. On models like the CT4, CT5, CT6, CTS, XTS, XT4, XT5, XT6, and Escalade equipped with the safety alert seat, Cadillac built directional vibration motors directly into the driver's seat cushion. When the car detects a hazard, it does not just beep at you, it physically taps you from the direction the threat is coming from. Threat approaching from the left side of your seat pulses. Threat from the right side pulses. Forward collision warning, both sides pulse together. It is like someone tapping your shoulder, except the tap tells you exactly which way to look. The reason most owners never experience this is because it ships disabled from the factory. To turn it on, go into Settings, then Vehicle, then Collision or Detection Systems, then Alert Type. Switch from audible beeps to seat pulses. I have had owners come into the shop convinced something was wrong with their seat. It was vibrating randomly, they said. Once I showed them what it was actually doing and why, they never turned it off again. And if you use thick aftermarket seat covers, remove them before enabling this. They deaden the pulses entirely and the system becomes useless. Number 14, and this one surprises almost every owner I show it to. Most people think the car only tells you when tire pressure is low. It has actually been showing you the exact pressure in every tire the whole time. You just never looked. On virtually every modern Cadillac, go into the Driver Information Center using the arrow buttons on your steering wheel. Navigate to the tire pressure screen. You will see 4 individual readings: front left, front right, rear left, rear right. Exact PSI in each tire in real time. This matters because a slow leak does not trigger the warning light until pressure drops significantly. By the time that light comes on, you may have been driving on an underinflated tire for days. With the tire pressure screen, you catch a tire losing 2 or 3 PSI per week before it becomes a highway problem. I check this screen on every Cadillac that comes into the shop before I do anything else. 10 seconds and you know the condition of all 4 tires. Most owners have had this their entire ownership and never once navigated to it. Number 13 is one of the most impressive features Cadillac has ever built into a production vehicle, and the majority of owners who have it treat it like a regular mirror their entire ownership. On Escalade, CT5, XT5, XT6, and Lyric models equipped with the rear camera mirror. That strip above your dashboard is not just a mirror. It is a live HD wide-angle camera feed from the rear of the vehicle. Instead of looking through headrests, passengers, cargo, and a rear window full of glare, you see a clean, unobstructed view of everything behind you. To switch between camera mode and traditional mirror, there is a small tab on the underside of the mirror housing. Pull it toward you for camera feed, push it back for standard mirror. Brightness and tilt adjust with small buttons on the frame. The camera has a dramatically wider field of vision than any mirror. It sees things a standard mirror physically cannot show you. If your Cadillac has this mirror and you have never switched it to camera mode, try it on your next drive. You will not switch back. 3 more features coming up that will save you real money. Keep watching. Number 12, and this is the one that is going to make you get up and check your car right now. On Escalade, CTS, and XTS models from roughly 2013 through 2020, Cadillac built a hidden storage pocket directly behind the CUE touchscreen panel. There is no button, no label, and no mention of it in the owner's manual. Most owners sit 3 inches away from it every single day and never find it. Place your finger along the bottom edge of the infotainment screen and gently slide it downward. The entire lower panel tilts forward, revealing a shallow compartment behind it. On most models, it includes a USB port and a wireless charging pad inside, so it is not just hidden storage, it is a hidden charging station. Deep enough for a phone, wallet, cables, or anything you want completely out of sight. If you use valet parking, go into settings and enable valet mode. This locks the compartment with a pin so the contents stay secure when someone else has your keys. I have shown this to customers who have owned their Escalade for 7 years. Every single time, the reaction is the same: pure disbelief. They reach in, feel the charging pad, and say the same thing: "Why did nobody tell me about this?" Escalade and Q owners, pause right now, go check your compartment, and reply in the comments with "found it" and your model year. I want to see how many of you never knew this was there. Number 11 is for Escalade, CT5V, and CT4V owners, and it is buried 3 menus deeper than most drivers ever go. Cadillac's magnetic ride control responds to road conditions thousands of times per second, but most owners only ever use Tour mode because that is what the car starts in, and nobody told them there was more. Go into Drive Mode settings. Beyond Tour and Sport, there is a custom mode that lets you independently adjust suspension response, steering weight, throttle mapping, and transmission behavior as separate settings. You are not picking a preset, you are building your own. On CT5V and CT4V Blackwing, track mode is so aggressive, the system requires deliberate confirmation before it engages. For everyday Escalade owners on rough city streets, the difference between Tour and a properly configured custom mode is something you feel immediately. Most owners are riding on the factory default their entire ownership without knowing a better setup is already installed. Number 10, here is one that dealership technicians use every day, and you can pull it up yourself without any tools or a service appointment. On Q-equipped Cadillacs, from roughly 2013 through 2017, press and hold the Home button on the touchscreen. While holding it, tap the Back button 3 times. A hidden diagnostic screen appears, showing software version, radio signal strength, screen calibration data, and component status. Important note, this applies to the 2013 through 2017 Q generation. Newer Cadillacs running Google built-in infotainment have a different architecture, and this combination does not apply. On the older Q systems, this menu also contains a screen calibration tool that fixes unresponsive touch areas without any service visit. 5 minutes in your driveway, no charge. I have seen owners pay shop labor rates to fix a touchscreen problem that this tool resolves in one recalibration. The next feature surprises almost every Escalade owner I show it to, and it is still coming. Number 9, most Escalade and XT5 owners use the mirror fold button on the door panel. Almost none of them know the key fob can do the same thing from across the driveway. On Escalade, XT5, and XT6 models with power folding mirrors, go into Settings, then Vehicle, then Comfort and Convenience, and enable Remote Mirror Folding. Press and hold the lock button for 3 seconds. Mirrors tuck in. Press and hold Unlock for 2 seconds. They come back out. Hold unlock even longer, and the windows roll down at the same time. The key fob combination is not labeled anywhere, and the menu that enables it is not something most people ever open. But once it is set up, you will use it every time you park somewhere tight. Number 8 is a habit that costs nothing and quietly reduces engine wear every single time you use it. Press the start button without your foot on the brake. Accessory mode. Everything powers up. Radio, charging, windows, outlets. Engine stays off. Cold starts are when the majority of engine wear happens. Oil has settled, metal components are contracted, and the first seconds of a cold start stress your engine more than miles of highway driving. If you are waiting in the driveway or setting up for a tailgate, there is no reason to fire up the engine. On 2019 and newer Cadillacs, the climate control blower also runs in accessory mode, useful for short waits in extreme temperatures without burning fuel. Number 7, the factory remote start shuts off after 15 minutes. What most owners do not know is that is not a fixed limit. Within 30 seconds of your initial remote start, repeat the exact sequence. Press lock, then press and hold remote start. The system adds another 15 minutes. 1 repeat per cycle, 30 minutes total. While you are in remote start settings, enable automatic heated seats and heated steering wheel if your Cadillac has them. The vehicle reads ambient temperature and activates them automatically on every remote start. Most owners who paid for a heated steering wheel have never had it come on without pressing a button. It is installed, it just needs to be turned on once. Number 6 is for 6.2 liter V8 owners, and you can do this right now without any aftermarket tune or warranty concerns. Active fuel management drops your 6.2 liter to 4 cylinders at highway cruise. The fuel economy goal is real. So is the documented pattern of premature lifter wear on high mileage 6.2 liter engines that ran in V4 mode extensively. It shows up consistently in teardowns. In sport or track drive mode, AFM is suppressed entirely. The engine stays on all 8 cylinders. Switch into sport before you get on the highway and leave it there. Fuel economy drops slightly, but on a 6.2 liter Escalade, you bought a V8, and running it as one is exactly what that engine was designed for. Number 5 will save you from a dead key fob after your Cadillac sits unused for an extended period. If your vehicle is going to sit for more than 2 weeks, press the lock button twice quickly. On most models, this puts the fob into a reduced ping state. It stops broadcasting constantly, and battery drain drops significantly. The exact behavior varies by model year. Check your owner's manual for the specific procedure on your vehicle. The double lock method reduces signal frequency on most models. To wake it up, press any button. Instant response. Far better than coming back from 2 weeks away to a dead fob and a locksmith call. Number 4, your key fob can vent the entire cabin before you even open the door, and most owners have never held the button long enough to find out. Press and hold the unlock button on your key fob. After about 3 seconds, all 4 windows roll down simultaneously. Escalade with a sunroof. That opens too. Entire cabin vented before you touch the door handle. To close everything, press and hold lock, windows up, sunroof closed, doors locked, active from the factory on most trims, no setting required. Most owners have pressed that unlock button thousands of times without ever holding it long enough to discover what it does. Number 3, this one could save you from a very expensive and very avoidable situation. Look at the back of your key fob near the keyring attachment. There's a small sliding tab. Press it. A thin metal key slides out. This key unlocks the driver door through a keyhole hidden behind a cover on the door handle. No battery, no electronics, pure mechanics. Once inside, access the jump start terminal under the hood. And on most modern Cadillacs with push button start, there's a hidden slot in the center console or under the cup holder mat. Place the dead fob in that slot and press start. The car reads the RFID chip directly and starts normally. Battery completely dead, no problem. Most owners find out this exists for the first time in a parking lot at night. There is no reason to wait for that moment. Number 2 is already installed on most CT4, CT5, XT5, XT6, and 2021 Plus Escalade models. Most owners have never turned it on. Come to a complete stop and press the brake pedal firmly, harder than a normal stop, until hold appears on your instrument cluster. Take your foot completely off the brake. Car stays stopped. Brake lights stay on. Press the accelerator when ready. Hold releases automatically. The key is pressure. A normal stop will not trigger it. You need a deliberate push. Once you find the threshold, it becomes instinctive. In stop and go traffic, it removes the fatigue from your right leg entirely. On hills, it eliminates rollback. One of those features that once you use it, you cannot understand how you drove without it. And number 1, every couple who shares a Cadillac should set this up today. On Escalade, CT5, XT5, and XT6 models with memory seat packages, each key fob can be programmed to load your seat position, mirror position, and steering column automatically the moment you unlock the car. The seat moves to your position before you open the door. Your partner's fob calls their position. You each get in a car already set up for you. Go into settings, then vehicle, then memory. Set your position and save it. Then go into the key fob linking section and assign that memory to your specific fob. From that point, it is automatic. No buttons, no adjusting after someone else drove the car. On older Escalade models from 2007 through 2014, this was a premium feature buyers paid significantly more for in upper trims. A notable number of them never activated it because the setup was buried in the owner's manual. The feature was installed, the benefit was never delivered. Which of these surprised you the most? Drop your model and year in the comments below. And if you own an Escalade or a Q-equipped Cadillac, go check that hidden compartment behind the screen right now. Reply with, "Found it," and your year. I want to know how many of you never knew it was there. If this was useful, subscribe and check out our video on the 9 fuel myths that are costing Cadillac owners serious money.